Okay, we're going to move into our expert panel. So I'm going to invite up here Lynda Pasacreta from the Better Business Bureau. We also have Tatiana from Consumer Protection BC and Katie Robb from the Bank of Canada and Andy Poon from the BC Securities Commission. Hi guys, welcome. I'll move out of the way there. Thank you. So we're going to open this. Robin, I hope you're okay to do a bit more running with the mic, perhaps? Do we have the second mic? Oh, okay. Okay, we might have to keep one on the stage and we'll do one out here. Okay. So what we're going to do first is open it up to you guys. If you have particular questions that you want to ask to our lovely panel here, you can fire away and Robin will come around. So again, Lynda from the Better Business Bureau is right here. We have Katie Robb from Bank of Canada, Tatiana from Consumer Protection, and sorry.
Andy Poon.
Andy Poon.
Yeah.
So we'll start with questions, and if you guys don't have any questions, we can move into the questions that we have.
Okay, can we just, we'll just give a little bit about what we're about. Just let you know, Tatiana couldn't make it today, so Michelle.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Tatiana's over there.
Oh, Tatiana, I saw you. Oh, sneaky. I'll just give a little bit, maybe that'll stir up some questions. We actually, with the Better Business Bureau, started almost 100 years ago. It was started by a fellow in the United States worked with Coca-Cola. And there was the Food and Drug Administration of the U.S. was accusing Coca-Cola of some false advertising. So that's how we kind of got started. And we took the show on the road, got it together with the Rotary clubs, and basically came up with the first code of advertising. So then we started in Vancouver in 1938. And we have been here for 70 years now, so we're very proud of that. What our services are to consumers and businesses is we give consumers tips and information. You can get that off our website. You can give us a call on our public line. We're open 24/7. So we've got phone calls that can come in and you can get some help that way, or you can go on the website. We give scam warnings pretty well almost every week. There's something going on. We've got dispute resolution, where we help consumers and businesses resolve disputes. We also get out in the community and teach all about frauds and scams. We've got work that we do in our office where we actually review ads and make sure that they are not telling you things that are not true. And some of the worst ads are fitness centers, weight loss, hair replacement. These are sometimes you get, they don't really substantiate how much weight you really are going to lose, or how much hair you're really going to get. So we've had some pretty strange things come back. So we want to make sure that consumers are aware that you are confident when you're going out to look for a plumber or a roofer, or someone to repair your deck, or you're going to get your fireplace cleaned, or you're going to choose your lawyer, your legal people, or any service, hairdresser, a spa, all those types of things. You want to make sure, furniture stores, we make sure that businesses have pride, that they are accredited. We've got Lily Page, she's accredited with the Better Business Bureau, and she is actually an image consultant. And she's gone through some pretty rigorous screening so that you know that you can trust to shop with her to become beautiful. And then we've got free information about businesses and also how to avoid scams if you're going to get somebody to do your roofing. And isn't this one just a little ball of energy? So that's about the Better Business Bureau. Michelle?
Thank you. Again, my name's Michelle. I'm from Consumer Protection BC. We are a nonprofit organization that enforces British Columbia consumer protection laws. And we promote a marketplace that is fair to both consumers and businesses. We deliver consumer protection services in British Columbia by responding to inquiries and complaints, educating consumers and businesses about their rights and responsibilities, licensing specific industries within BC, We investigate any allegations that Consumer Protection BC laws have been violated. We also regularly inspect our licensees to ensure that they're complying with the laws. We classify general release motion pictures so that you as the public can make informed viewing decisions for your families and for yourselves. And we also work with the provincial government and recommend enhancements to consumer protection laws.
Hi, so I'm Katie and I'm with the Bank of Canada. We're not just your average checking and savings bank, we're actually the central bank. So we're partly responsible for those low mortgage rates that you guys have been seeing for the past year or so. Hope you've taken advantage of that. But on the other side of it, we are also responsible for printing all the money that circulates in Canada. So along with that comes a certain amount of responsibility to make sure that we have confidence in our banknotes. And if you all take a look inside the bags that you got today, we've handed out a really easy way for you to check your currency called the till method. And if you have any questions at all, don't hesitate to ask later. But I just really want to emphasize that as a public agency, we do provide a lot of free services for the public and especially retail business. So we produce kits with information on not only counterfeit currency, but credit and debit card fraud, identity theft, check and money order fraud. And it's all available free of charge, and we also provide free training for retail business as well. So if anyone has any questions or is interested in that, don't hesitate to call our information line.
Great. Thanks. I'm Andy. I'm from the BC Securities Commission. And we also are a government agency, and we do provide free services as well. So I'll play that free card. But we're the regulator that basically is responsible for helping you better protect yourself when you're investing. On the flip side, we also help foster capital raising in British Columbia. What we're saying out there is that we do want people to invest in British Columbia. It's one of the ways that our economy grows and fuels the beautiful place that we live in here. But we want people to basically invest in things that are suitable for them and obviously avoid the scams that are out there. One of the best ways we do that is through our basically our website, which is investright.org. And I would encourage anyone who's thinking about investing or currently investing to check that out for some useful research tips, questions you need to be asking from your advisors if you're working with that individual. What does it mean when someone's registered? I think one of the smart cookies talked about the fact that she had checked to make sure her advisor was registered. And what that means is that that firm or individual is registered with us, the Securities Commission. They've had background checks done on them. There's criminal checks. They have the requisite education to be helping you in terms of working as a partner, in terms of your financial future. And finally, the main thing I want to stress for people who are investing is that you need to ask hard questions. And if you're suspicious about what someone is telling you, the types of returns that they're promising you, or they're not delivering on those, then you need to basically come talk to us or report it to us, because we, as a government agency that enforces the trading rules in British Columbia, most times we'll act when people tell us about it. So if anything, please report those to us. Be more than happy to take your calls and concerns, either online or in person. We have inquiry staff that are available 9 to 5, Monday through Friday. Thank you.